Let's fast forward in our timeline. Fortunately, the idea that I submitted has been approved for development and has just gone live. So what I'd like to do now is like to run that. Now in this case, I'm running this as what we call an attended automation. I've done the data preparation and I want to run the automation when I'm ready. So in this case, I'm running it from my UiPath assistant. Of course, this could be an unattended automation. We do the data preparation and we move that file to a certain folder, and the automation will then run, pick that up and process it automatically. And so it just happens. I don't need to be involved in the triggering of that. Other examples of unattended automations could be things like invoice processing. So when a new invoice comes in an email, we can pick that up as an attachment and process it, and we don't need people to be involved. So the automation can just run in the background in a virtual machine in a data center somewhere, and we don't worry about it. But in this case, for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to run it as an attended automation. So here in my UiPath assistant, I've got a list of my processes, and here's my contractor expenses. So let's go ahead and click on run, and it will start to run this automation. So now it's loaded up Excel and it's loaded up the expenses application. So let me just go ahead and move these windows around so we can see what's happening. Now for the first 3 records, I've slowed down what it's doing. In this case, it's entered the first record. Now it's entering the second record. So you can see there it's taking the data from row 3 in the spreadsheet and entering it. And it's still doing it far faster than I can, even though I've artificially slowed it down. Now it's entering the third record, and after this one, it will speed up. Now what I've done in here, I've taken a subset of our data, but you can see that it's now taking the data from the expenses application and putting it back into the expenses application. So there we are. The process is running very, very quickly, entering that data with a high degree of accuracy, but most importantly, not by me. This is my digital worker emulating the things that I do at the user interface to get that data entered for me and doing it faster. So now we've freed up those 5 people to focus on higher value activities. And there we are, it's just finished the last record.